Okay, I'm gonna back into a space on the right. It's number 340. So I'm coming over to the right. I'm looking at space 340. Okay, I'm taking my right mirror and putting on the end of the lines. So I'm moving up and I put my passenger side window into the space I'm backing into, which is to the right. Once I get there, I put on my left signal and my passenger side front window is in the space I'm in. So now I'm going to turn hard left all the way. Notice it takes me to the lines. Now, if I look in my right rear mirror, notice that's the space I'm going to be backing into. So it lines me up with the space I'm going to back into, number 340. Now, I switch my signal, I put on my right signal, I put my car in reverse. Now, all I'm looking at is in the right mirror, the right tire, and the right side of the car. Now, as I start to back up, I turn to the right, and I'm staying away from that line. Once I get to it, I turn hard right, and I'm looking in the right mirror, and I'm going to line up the side of my car with the side of that space. So see how they're parallel? And now I'm just moving back, straight. And what do I wait? I wait till the front of the car is even with the lines, which is right about there. And then I put my car in park.